Hello friends, welcome back to my session. So today we're going to discuss about AI test case generation with a duplicate test case removal. So what if I tell you you might be writing 100 test cases but only 40 are actually useful? Yes, duplicate test cases are silently killing our QA quality. So today I will be going to show you how to use AI to identify and remove duplicate test cases like a pro. So what we gonna learn here? So we'll check to solve a real problem in QA with duplicate test cases. Identifying, we will be using AI to identify duplicates, to remove unnecessary ones, and keep only high quality test cases using a real website. So real website team, we will be using a SauceDemo again. And so our core concept will be, first you need to understand this duplicate test case is something that is testing the same behavior multiple times. For example, login with valid credentials, or if we say login with correct username password, it looks different but its meaning is same. So why duplicates are actually dangerous? Because duplicates cause more execution time, confusion in team, bigger automation code, and hard maintenance. So smart QA test suite always looks clean. So the very first step will be like real raw test cases. So that will be actually a bad QA example. So we do one thing, we just now open the sourcedemo.com. So we just give here the username and this password. Now just imagine if tester writes, just imagine if tester writes login with valid username and password, login with correct credentials, login with valid login details, login with wrong password, login with invalid password, login with incorrect password, login with empty username, login with blank username. So you just need to identify this problem. Now you think the first three, the login with valid login credentials, the login with correct credentials, login with valid username and password, they were same. If we talk about the fourth, fifth, and sixth, which I just said, login with wrong password, login with invalid password, and login with incorrect password are almost same. And the login with empty username, or if we say login with blank username, seventh and eighth are almost same. So total, if you count this, there are eight total test cases, but reality unique is only three. So now I'm just gonna do one thing. I just gonna give AI prompt for this. So I just give here simple. I just give here in SauceDemo website analyze login test cases, identify duplicates, merge similar ones, and generate a clean, optimized test suite. Okay, clean, optimized test suite with expected results. Let's see. So you could see here the output. So it just gave me some test case ID, test scenario, verify login with valid credentials, verify login with invalid username, verify login with invalid password, verify login with invalid username and password. So you could see here it has just now given some login details, and now it is saying that duplicate overlapping cases. It has just shown us here invalid username plus valid password LGN002. This is basically test case IDs, and it just shown you these commonly repeated cases were merged into optimized scenarios. So it just shown you the key optimization improvements, like to remove redundancy, grouped similar validations, added, you know. So it also shown you some recommended priority for smoke, medium priority, and the low priority. So if we execute this on the real website, like I'm just gonna show you in PPT, you can just try on your. So if you go with the real execution, if you just open the SauceDemo, give standard user secret sauce, the login username and password, and just login success. So what you're gonna see, and like you will be going to land on the cart page, and if you just log out and again try with this wrong password, it will give you some error message. So actually that should show you the error message. Then the test 3, you can leave username empty, you should show some validation. So 3 strong test cases actually replaced the 8 weak ones. So now if we discuss about the real QA insight in this. So actually team, companies don't care about number of test cases, they just care about coverage, clarity, maintainability, because duplicate test cases is the big problem in real projects. So interview level advanced thinking, now think like top QA in SauceDemo. Login with standard user, login with logged out user, both are not duplicates, because logged out user shows error and standard user logs in. So different behavior is actually the different test case. So if we talk about a pro tip, that's a golden rule. Always remember, remove duplication, don't remove coverage. Less test cases plus full coverage is basically a pro QA. So now just think in the terms of automation thinking at an SDET level. So just imagine automation. Before cleanup, 8 scripts, duplicate logic, high maintenance, and after cleanup, just 3 scripts and clean framework with faster execution. This is actually the real SDET mindset. So here I am just, if we try with this power prompt, if you just give analyze the following test cases and remove duplicates, merge overlapping scenarios, and provide a minimal yet complete test suite, ensuring functional negative and edge coverage with expected results. So that will actually be the gold one, and it will help you in reducing the big mistakes. Big mistakes, I mean to say, like deleting too many test cases, blindly trusting AI, losing important coverage, and that will actually result in the production bugs. So just for a final insight, if you want to become top 1% QA engineer using AI, learn thinking, not just tools, learn optimization, not just execution. So if you really liked this session and you really enjoyed this, so do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming sessions. And believe me, if you will going to follow this, you will be going to learn a lot in your actual projects. Actually, you can implement it. So thank you everyone, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.